Hello friends, welcome to H3 Advent Academy. In the last lecture we have discussed up to example 5. So we will discuss example 6 onwards in this particular lecture. So let us start our discussion. So what is given in the part 1 of example 6. So we have, let us find the value of dy upon dx. So the dy upon dx is given as x cube minus 3xy square upon y cube minus 3x square y. Okay. Let us divide the numerator and denominator with x cube. So this is 1 minus 3y square upon x square upon y cube upon x cube minus, so we have calculated dy upon dx. Okay, so the y cube upon x cube minus 3 y upon x. Okay, so this is obviously a function in y upon x, this is obviously a function of y upon x, hence we can call this equation as a homogeneous equation. So let us take y is equal to v times of x. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So let us put here, so we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to, this is 1 minus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v. Okay, so from here we have x dv upon dx is equal to 1 minus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v minus v. So this is 1 minus 3v square minus v4 plus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v. So this gets cancelled. So from here we have v cube minus 3v upon 1 minus v to the power 4 dv is equal to dx upon x integration. Okay, let us further simplify this. So we have this as so we have this as v cube upon 1 minus v to the power 4 dv integration minus 3 times of v dv upon 1 minus v to the power 4 integration is equal to dx upon x. Okay, let us further simplify this. Okay, let us take this as I1 and this as I2. Okay, so I1 is equal to v cube upon 1 minus v to the power 4 dv integration. Okay, so let us take 1 minus v to the power 4 as u, so minus 4v to the power cube dv is equal to du. So v cube dv is equal to minus 1 by 4 du. Okay, so this is nothing but I1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 du upon u integration. So I1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 log of u. So I1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 log of 1 minus v to the power 4. So this is 1 by 4 minus log of 1 minus v to the power 4 minus, we have taken this as I2. So this is plus I2 is equal to log of x plus log of c. Okay, now let us find the value of I2. So the value of I2 is equal to minus 3 times of integration v dv upon 1 minus v to the power 4. Let us take v square as t. Okay, so 2v dv is equal to dt. So from here v dv is equal to 1 by 2 dt. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस 3 upon 2 dt upon 1 minus t square integration. Okay, now we have, let us recall the integration of, we have the integration of dx upon a square minus x square. इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. ठीक है, तो dx अपॉन 1 स्क्वायर माइनस और x की जगह t है, t स्क्वायर, इसका क्या हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन 2 टाइम्स ऑफ a की वैल्यू 1 है, लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस टी अपॉन 1 माइनस टी. ठीक है, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये होगा ना डी टी अपॉन 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर, तो ये 1 स्क्वायर क्या है 1 है. ठीक है, तो 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर का वैल्यू ये हो गया. तो लेट अस प्लेस दिस वैल्यू हियर. So we have this as So I2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into this is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t. ठीक है, और t की वैल्यू क्या है v स्क्वायर. So let us place the value here. So we have minus 1 by 4 log of 1 minus v to the power 4 minus 3 upon 4 log of 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v square plus log of is equal to log of x plus log of c. Okay, so let us further simplify this. Let us multiply both sides with minus 4. So we have log of 1 minus v to the power 4 plus 3 log of 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v square is equal to minus 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना minus 4 log x minus 4 log of c. Let us take this as c dash. Okay, let us further simplify this. So this is log of 1 minus v square plus log of this is 1 minus v is 4 है ना, v to the power 4 तो 1 minus v square 1 plus v square तो log ab का क्या हो जाएगा log a plus log b. So log of 1 minus v square plus log of 1 plus v square. ठीक है, plus 3 times of log of 1 plus v square. Sorry, this we can write as, let us write down one step further. देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा log of 1 minus v to the power 4 times of 1 plus v square upon का whole cube upon 1 minus v square का whole cube. ठीक है, is equal to log of, let us take this 4 log c dash minus 4 log this c dash as log c. Okay, let us take this as a new constant plus log of c log of c upon x to the power 4. ठीक है, देखो अब यहाँ से क्या आएगा So this is log of 1 minus v square 1 plus v square into 1 plus v square का whole cube upon 1 minus v square का whole cube. ठीक है, is equal to log of c upon x to the power 4 है ना. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा देखो 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर है ना, ये 1 माइनस वी का होल क्यूब है तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. तो ये आ जाएगा 1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर का पावर 4 अपॉन 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन एक्स टू द पावर 4. ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ से आएगा 1 अपॉन वी की वैल्यू क्या है वाई अपॉन एक्स तो वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर टू द पावर 4 अपॉन 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर टू द पावर 2 इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन एक्स टू द पावर 4. तो ये आ जाएगा 1 प्लस सॉरी दिस इज so this is x square plus y square to the power 4 upon x to the power 8 times of x to the power 4 upon x square minus y square का whole square is equal to c upon x to the power 4. So this gets cancelled to x to the power 4 and this is x to the power 4. So from here we have and let us take this constant as c1 instead of c. Okay, so earlier we have taken c dash, now this is c1. So we have x square plus y square to the power 4 is equal to c1 times of x square minus y square whole square. So let us take under root both sides. So this is x square plus y square whole square is equal to c1 under root x square minus y square. So this is, let us take under root c1 as c. So x square plus y square whole square is equal to c times of x square minus y square. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the second part. Okay, so we have this as dy upon dx plus x minus 2y upon 2x minus y is equal to 0. So let us divide numerator and denominator with x. So we have dy upon dx plus 1 minus 2y upon x upon 2 minus y upon x is equal to 0. Let us take y is equal to, obviously it is a function of y upon x, hence this equation is a homogeneous equation. So let us take y is equal to v times of x. So from here dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx plus 1 minus 2v upon 2 minus v is equal to 0. So from here x dv upon dx plus 1 minus 2v upon 2 minus v plus v is equal to 0. So from here x dv upon dx plus 1 minus 2v plus 2v minus v square upon 2 minus v is equal to 0. This gets cancelled. So from here we have so from here we have 2 minus v upon 1 minus v square. This is dv now, x dv upon dx. So 2 minus v upon 1 minus v square dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. So let us integrate this. So we have this as 2 on dv upon 1 minus v square integration minus v dv upon 1 minus v square integration plus dx upon x integration is equal to 0. Okay. So from here we have this as the integration of dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. ठीक है. तो dx upon 1 square minus v square क्या हो जाएगा, देखो 1 upon 2 times of 1 log of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Okay, so let us replace this. So we have 2 times of 1 upon 2 log of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. ठीक है. अब देखो 1 minus v square, इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन क्या होगा, 2v dv. ठीक है, तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे, माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1/2 log ऑफ dt अपॉन, लेट अस टेक 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर एस टी, तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 2v dv इज इक्वल टू dt. तो v dv क्या हो जाएगा, -1/2 dt, dt अपॉन टी. तो dt अपॉन टी का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, dt अपॉन टी, यही होगा ना. तो क्या हो जाएगा, log ऑफ टी. ठीक है, हम टी क्या लिए हैं, 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर. तो log ऑफ 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर प्लस log ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ c. ठीक है, so let us further simplify this. This gets cancelled. So we have this as let us multiply throughout by 2. क्या होगा देखो, 2 log 1 plus v upon 1 minus v minus log of 1 minus v square plus 2 log x. Let us take this as c dash. So is equal to 2 log c dash. ठीक है. Let us further simplify this. Sorry, this is plus, minus of minus is plus. ठीक है. So let us further simplify this. So this is log of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v whole square times of 1 minus v square into x square is equal to 2 log c dash, we can take as log of c. This is log of c. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा log, sorry, let us equate the equate this. So we have this as 1 plus v whole square upon 1 minus v times of 1 minus v square, we can write 1 minus v square we can write as 1 plus v 1 minus v. ठीक है, and this is whole square, x square is equal to c. Let us further simplify this. So this is 1 plus v whole cube upon 1 minus v times of x square is equal to c. Let us put v is equal to y upon x. So 1 plus y upon x whole cube upon 1 minus y upon x times of x square is equal to c. This is x plus y whole cube upon x cube times of x upon x minus y times of x square is equal to c. यहाँ से x क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू c टाइम्स ऑफ x माइनस वाई. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the third part. So we have 2 times of root under xy minus x dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0. So from here dy upon dx is equal to y upon x minus 2 root under xy. Okay, so let us divide the numerator and denominator with x. So y upon x is equal to 1 minus 2 root under y upon x. Okay, so let us take y is equal to vx. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to v upon 1 minus 2 root under v. Okay, let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx is equal to v upon 1 minus 2 root under v minus v. So this is x dv upon dx is equal to v minus v v minus v plus 2 v root under v upon 1 minus 2 root under v. Okay, this gets cancelled. So from here we have 1 minus 2 root under v upon 2v root under v dv is equal to dx upon x. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से जगह हाफ ऑफ dv upon v to the power 3 by 2 integration minus 1 upon v dv 2 root under v minus 2 2 root under v upon 2v root under v. तो root under v कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 1 upon v रहेगा ना, is equal to dx upon x integration. Okay, let us further simplify this. So we have half of v to the power minus 3 by 2 dv integration minus log of v is equal to log of x plus c. तो ये हो जाएगा v to the power minus 3 by 2 का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, v to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. तो हो जाएगा v to the power minus 1 by 2 upon this is minus 1 by 2. तो हो जाएगा minus 2 upon root v, है ना. तो 1 upon 2 into minus 2 upon root v minus log of v is equal to log of x plus c. तो ये हो जाएगा minus of, let us place the value of v as y upon x. So this is root under x upon y minus log of y upon x is equal to log of x plus c. ठीक है, let us further simplify this. Minus root under x upon y minus log of y plus log of x is equal to log of x plus c. This gets cancelled. So from here we have minus of root under x upon y minus log of y is equal to c. This is the general solution. Let us discuss example 7. So we have this as the first one is x dx plus y dy. Y dy is equal to m times of x dy minus y dx. Okay, so from here we have let us take the coefficient of dx. So this is x and this is y, m of y, m times of y. So x plus my dx is equal to mx minus y dy. So from here dy upon dx is equal to x plus my upon mx minus y. Let us divide the numerator and denominator with x. So this is 1 plus my upon x upon m minus y upon x. So let us take y is equal to v times of x. So dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So v plus x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus mv upon m minus v. So from here we have x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus mv upon m minus v. So we have x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus mv minus mv plus v square upon m minus v. This gets cancelled. So from here we have, so from here m minus v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to dx upon x integration. So we have m times of dv upon 1 plus v square integration minus integration v dv upon 1 plus v square is equal to dx upon x integration. So this is m times of tan inverse v minus 1 by 2. This is 1 plus v square, and differentiation of 1 plus v square is 2v dv. So v dv is equal to, if we take 1 plus v square as t, then v dv is equal to 1 by 2 dt. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 1 by 2 log of 1 plus, so dt upon d का integration log of t, and t we have taken as 1 plus v square. So this is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square is equal to log of x plus c. ठीक है, so let us further simplify this. So we have this as m tan inverse y upon x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus y square upon x square is equal to log of x plus c. So m tan inverse y upon x minus half of log x square plus y square minus 2 log x is equal to log of x plus c. So this is m tan inverse y upon x minus half log of x square plus y square plus log of x is equal to log of x plus c. So this gets cancelled. So from here m tan inverse y upon x minus half of log x square plus y square is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now let us discuss the second part. Okay, so we have the second part as this one, dy upon dx plus x square plus 2xy minus y square upon y square plus 2xy minus x square, y square plus 2xy minus x square. ठीक है, this is equal to 0. So let us divide the numerator and denominator with x square. So 1 plus 2 y upon x minus y square upon x square upon y square upon x square plus 2 y upon x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we have, let us take y is equal to v times of x. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx plus 1 plus 2v minus v square upon v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus 1 plus 2v minus v square upon v square plus 2v minus 1 plus v is equal to 0. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus 1 plus 2v minus v square plus v cube plus 2v square minus v upon v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we have, let us further simplify this, x dv upon dx plus, this is 1 plus, this is 2v, this is minus v, this is v plus v square plus v cube upon v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus, and this is let us take 1 plus v as plus, let us take v square common. So this is v square 1 plus v upon v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is x dv upon dx plus, This is 1 plus v common, 1 plus v square upon v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here v square plus 2v minus 1 upon 1 plus v square dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Let us integrate both sides. So we have this as, let us use the concept of partial fraction for this. So we have this as v square plus 2v minus 1 upon 1 plus v square. This we can write as a upon 1 plus v using partial fraction plus bv plus c upon 1 plus v square. So we have this as so we have v square plus 2v minus 1 is equal to a times of 1 plus v square plus bv 1 plus v plus c 1 plus v. Let us put v is equal to minus 1. ठीक है, माइनस 1 रखो. So this is 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to a 1 plus 1 and v is equal to minus 1. So this gets vanished, this gets also vanished. So this gets vanished, 1 and minus 1. So this is minus 2 is equal to 2a. So from here we have a is equal to minus 1. Let us put a is equal to minus 1 here. Okay, let us further simplify this. Now let us put v is equal to 0. तो 0 रखने पे क्या होगा, माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू a is minus 1 ना. Let us put minus 1. v 0 रखने पे minus 1 आ गया. This is minus 1, this gets, sorry, v is equal to 0 we are putting ना. v 0 रखने पे क्या आएगा, this is minus 1 और ये minus 1 हो गया और ये तो v 0 रखने पे ये 0 ही हो गया और प्लस c हो गया, तो ये कैंसिल. तो c इज इक्वल टू 0. c 0 हो गया ना, प्लस 0. अब देखो कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू क्या है, देखो 1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर प्लस 2v माइनस 1, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज माइनस 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर. यहाँ से तो कांस्टेंट नहीं आएगा और यहाँ से कांस्टेंट आएगा, तो ये हो गया बी वी 1 प्लस वी, ये हो गया प्लस सी वी. ठीक है, देखो कांस्टेंट क्या है, माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट है यहाँ पे सी, तो माइनस 1 प्लस सी, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, तो सी की वैल्यू 0 आ गई. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या निकालना है, ये तो 0 हमने निकाल ही लिया है ना. अब बी का वैल्यू निकालना है ना, बी का. ये कैसे निकालोगे, देखो देखो यहाँ से v का कोफिशिएंट क्या है, देखो यहाँ पे v का कोफिशिएंट 2 है v का, और यहाँ से देखो ये हो गया बी भी, यहाँ पे सी भी, तो b प्लस सी. ठीक है, और c की वैल्यू 0, तो यहाँ से b की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 2 हो जाएगी. दिस इज 2v. ठीक है, so this is minus 1 by 1 plus v square or 2v upon 1 plus v square. So let us further simplify this. Let us do the integration. This is minus 1 by 1 plus v square, sorry, 1 plus v plus 2v upon 1 plus v square dv integration plus dx upon x integration is equal to 0. तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, देखो माइनस लॉग 1 प्लस v प्लस log of 1 plus v square plus log of x is equal to log of c. तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, log of x times of 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v is equal to लॉग ऑफ सी, ठीक है, एक्स टाइम्स ऑफ वन प्लस वी स्क्वायर और यहाँ से अपॉन वन प्लस वी। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स टाइम्स ऑफ वन प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन वन प्लस वाई अपॉन एक्स इज इक्वल टू सी, ठीक है। दिस इज एक्स टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई is equal to c. So this gets cancelled. So x square plus y square is equal to c times of x plus y. Okay, this is the general solution. Let us discuss example 8. So we have this as the first one is to find the dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to x square plus y square upon 2x square. Okay. So let us divide the numerator and denominator with x square. So this is 1 plus y square upon x square upon 2. Okay. This is 1 plus v square. Let us take y is equal to vx. So y upon x is equal to v. So 1 plus v square upon 2. Okay. And dy upon dx is v plus x dv upon dx is equal to half of 1 plus v square. So x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 2 minus v. So this is 1 plus v square minus 2v upon 2. So this is v square minus 2v plus 1 upon 2. So this is v minus 1 whole square upon 2. So 1 by v minus 1 whole square dv is equal to half of dx upon x integration. Okay. Let us further simplify this. So this is minus 1 by v minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus c. So this is minus of 1 upon y upon x minus 1 is equal to half of log x plus c. So यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा देखो, 1 upon 1 minus y upon x is equal to half of log x plus c. So this is x upon x minus y is equal to half of log x plus c. तो यहाँ से आएगा, let us multiply with 2. So 2x upon x minus y is equal to log x plus 2c. Let us take this as c dash. So 2x upon x minus y is equal to log x plus c. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the second part. So we have dy upon dx is equal to x square plus y square upon x square plus xy. तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon x square upon 1 plus y upon x. Let us take y is equal to vx. So from here dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. So from here x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. So this is 1 plus v square minus v square upon 1 plus v. So this gets cancelled. So this is 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. So from here 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv is equal to dx upon x integration. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as 1 by 1 minus v dv integration plus v upon 1 minus v dv integration is equal to dx upon x integration. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा देखो, तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या 1 माइनस वी चाहिए ना, तो देखो कैसे करेंगे इसको, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ठीक है, और 1 ऐड करो और माइनस 1 सब्सट्रैक्ट करो, ठीक है, 1 ऐड करो और 1 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करो, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये v अपॉन 1 माइनस वी आ गया ना। तो अब देखो ये क्या आ जाएगा, 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस वी डी वी इंटीग्रेशन माइनस ऑफ दिस इज 1 अपॉन सॉरी 1 माइनस वन बाई वन माइनस वी और डी वी, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू डी एक्स अपॉन एक्स इंटीग्रेशन। तो हो जाएगा वन अपॉन वन माइनस वी और माइनस वन प्लस वन अपॉन वन माइनस वी डी वी integration is equal to dx upon x integration. So this is 2 upon 1 minus v minus 1 dv is equal to dx upon x integration. So this is nothing but this is minus 2 log of 1 minus v minus v is equal to log of x plus c, ठीक है। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा माइनस टू लॉग वन माइनस v is equal to this we can take as let us multiply with minus both side, okay. So we have this as 2 log 1 minus v plus v is equal to minus log x. This let us take this c dash. So this is minus c dash. Okay, so this is 2 log 1 minus v plus log of x plus v is equal to minus of c dash. So this is log of x times of 1 minus v whole square plus v is equal to minus c dash. So from here log of this is x times of 1 minus y upon x whole square plus v is equal to minus c dash. So log of x times of x minus y whole square upon x square plus v is equal to minus c dash. So from here log of x minus y whole square upon x plus v is equal to minus c dash plus v, and v is y upon x. Y upon x. Okay, this is the general solution. Now let us discuss the third part. Okay, so we have this as dy upon dx plus y cube minus 2y x square upon 2xy square minus x cube is equal to 0. Okay, let us divide the numerator and denominator with x cube. So we have dy upon dx plus y upon x whole cube minus 2y upon x upon 2 times of y upon x whole square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us take y is equal to v times of x. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So v plus x dv upon dx plus v cube minus 2v upon 2v square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus v cube minus 2v upon 2v square minus 1 plus v is equal to 0. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus v cube minus 2v plus 2v 2v cube minus v upon 2v square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus 3v cube minus 3v upon 2v square minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we have 2v square minus 1 upon 3v v square minus 1, okay, dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. So from here we have, let us bifurcate this. So we have 2v square upon 3v, v square minus 1 upon 3v, v square minus 1 dv plus dx upon x integration. So we have this v gets cancelled. So we have 2v upon 3v square minus 1 minus of 1 upon 3. This we can write as 1 upon this is v square minus 1, v upon v square minus 1 minus 1 upon v. ठीक है, dv plus dx upon x integration is equal to 0. Integration. Let us further simplify this. This is equal to 0. ओके, तो देखो यहाँ पे 2v अपॉन 3v स्क्वायर माइनस 1 है, यहाँ पे v अपॉन 3 टाइम्स ऑफ v स्क्वायर माइनस 1, तो क्या हो जाएगा v अपॉन 3 टाइम्स ऑफ दिस इज 2 माइनस 1 ना, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 माइनस 1 1, तो 3 टाइम्स ऑफ v स्क्वायर माइनस 1 dv, ठीक है, और प्लस 1/3 dv अपॉन v. ओके, इंटीग्रेशन प्लस dx अपॉन x इंटीग्रेशन इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा 1/6 log ऑफ v स्क्वायर माइनस 1 प्लस 1/3 log ऑफ v प्लस log ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा देखो, log ऑफ v स्क्वायर माइनस 1 प्लस 2 log ऑफ v प्लस 6, सॉरी दिस इज इक्वल टू, इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद यहाँ log ऑफ c आएगा ना, log ऑफ c डैश लेट अस टेक, ठीक है, प्लस 6 log x इज इक्वल टू 6 log c डैश. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा log ऑफ y स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 प्लस 2 log y अपॉन x प्लस 6 log x is equal to let us take this as log of c. let us take this a new constant, 6 log c dash is equal to log c. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, let us further simplify this. Okay, so log of y square minus x square minus of log x square minus 2 log x, ठीक है, प्लस 2 log y माइनस 2 log x प्लस 6 log x इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ c. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आएगा log ऑफ y स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 log y, और देखो माइनस ऑफ 2 log x और माइनस ऑफ 2 log x माइनस ऑफ 4 log x, तो यहाँ पे 6 log x, तो हो जाएगा 2 log x इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ c. तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा log ऑफ y स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस log ऑफ y स्क्वायर प्लस log ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ c. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से log ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ c. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू c. तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा, लेट अस टेक अंडर रूट बोथ साइड्स, लेट अस नेम दिस एज c1, log of c1. okay, c1, so this is xy root under y square minus x square is equal to c1. ठीक है, रूट अंडर c1, तो रूट अंडर c1 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, लेट अस टेक दिस एज c. So our general solution is xy times of y square minus x square is equal to c. This is the general solution. Let us discuss example 9, how we can solve this. So the first one is dy upon dx plus y upon x is equal to y square upon x square. ठीक है, so we have this as, let us take y is equal to v times of x. So we have dy upon dx plus dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So from here v plus x dv upon dx plus v is equal to v square. So we have x dv upon dx is equal to v square minus 2v. This is nothing but v times of v minus 2. So from here we have dv upon v minus 2 is equal to dx upon x integration. Okay, let us further simplify this. So from here we have 1 upon v minus 2 minus 1 upon v. Okay, half. This is dv is equal to integration of dx upon x. So this is half of log v minus 2 minus log of v is equal to log x plus log c dash. So this is log of v minus 2 upon v is equal to 2 log x plus 2 log c dash. Okay, so this is let us further simplify this. So we have this as log of y upon x minus 2 upon y upon x is equal to log of x square plus 2 log c dash. So this is nothing but let us remain this as 2 log x. Okay, instead of writing it as log of x square, 2 log x. Okay, so we have this as log of y minus 2x upon y is equal to log of, let us name this as क्या हो जाएगा, log 2 log x plus, let us write down this as log of x square plus 2 log c dash we can write is as new constant log c. ये हो जाएगा log of cx square, ये हो जाएगा log of y minus 2x upon y. तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा y minus 2x upon y is equal to cx square. यहाँ से आएगा y minus 2x is equal to cx square y. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the second part. So we have this as dy upon dx is equal to x cube plus y cube upon x square y plus xy square. Let us divide the numerator and denominator with x cube. So this is 1 plus y upon x whole cube upon y upon x plus y upon x whole square. Okay, let us take y is equal to v times of x. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Okay, so we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v cube upon v plus v square. So we have this as x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v cube upon v plus v square minus v. So this is 1 plus v cube minus v square minus v cube upon 1 v plus v square. So this gets cancelled. So this is nothing but so x dv upon dx is equal to 1 minus v square. 1 minus v square we can write as 1 minus v 1 plus v upon v 1 plus v. Okay, so this gets cancelled. So from here we have v dv upon 1 minus v is equal to dx upon x. Okay, let us further simplify this. Let us take minus both sides. This is minus and this is minus. So we have minus v upon 1 minus v dv integration is equal to minus of dx upon x. Okay, let us add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, so this is 1 minus, sorry, this is 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus v dv is equal to minus dx upon x. Okay, so let us integrate both sides. So we have this as v minus of minus or minus of log 1 minus v. So this is plus v plus log of 1 minus v is equal to minus log x plus c. Okay, so v plus log of 1 minus y upon x is equal to minus log x plus c. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as y upon x plus log of x minus y upon x is equal to minus log x plus c. So this is y upon x plus log of x minus y minus log x is equal to minus log x plus c. So this gets cancelled. So we have y upon x plus log of x minus y is equal to c. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the third part. So we have this as dy upon dx is equal to 6x square plus 2y square upon x square plus 4xy. Let us divide the numerator and denominator with x square. So this is 6 plus 2 y upon x whole square upon 1 plus 4 y upon x. So let us take y is equal to v times of x. So dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to 6 plus 2v square upon 1 plus 4v. So from here x dv upon dx is equal to 6 plus 2v square upon 1 plus 4v minus v. So this is nothing but 6 plus 2v square minus v minus 4v square upon 1 plus 4v. Okay. So let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx is equal to 6 minus this is 2v square minus v upon 1 plus 4v. So from here we have this is nothing but x dv upon dx is equal to minus times of 2v square plus v minus 6 upon 1 plus 4v. Okay. So let us further simplify this. So this is nothing but 1 plus 4v upon 2v square plus v minus 6 dv is equal to minus dx upon x integration. Okay. So this is nothing but so this is let us take 2v square plus v minus 6 as t. So this is nothing but 4v plus 1 dv is equal to dt. So this is dt upon t integration is equal to minus dx upon x. So this is log of t is equal to minus log of x plus log of c. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा log of this is log of t plus log of x is equal to log of c. So from here xt is equal to c. Let us replace the value of t. So this is x times of 2v square plus v minus 6 is equal to c. Let us place the value of v. So this is x times of 2y square upon x square plus y upon x minus 6 is equal to c. So this is nothing but x times of 2y square plus xy minus 6x square upon x square is equal to c. So this gets cancelled. So from here 2y square plus xy minus 6x square is equal to cx. This is the general solution. Okay. Now let us discuss the fourth one. So this is dy upon dx plus 2 times of x square plus xy upon x square plus y square is equal to 0. So from here dy upon dx plus 2 times of 1 plus y upon x upon 1 plus y upon x whole square is equal to 0. So from here y is equal to vx. So dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So v plus x dv upon dx plus 2 times of 1 plus v upon 1 plus v square is equal to 0. Let us further simplify this. So we have this as x dv upon dx plus 2 plus 2v upon 1 plus v square plus v is equal to 0. So from here we have x dv upon dx plus 2 plus 2v plus v cube upon 1 plus v square is equal to 0. So x dv upon dx plus 2 plus 3v प्लस वी क्यूब अपॉन 1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. So we have 1 plus v square upon v cube plus 3v plus 2 dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Okay, so let us take v cube plus 3v plus 2 as u. So 3v square plus 3 dv is equal to du. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा 3 times of 1 plus v square dv is equal to du. तो यहाँ से 1 plus v square dv की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी du अपॉन 3. तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा du अपॉन 3. So this is 1 by 3 du upon u plus dx upon x integration is equal to 0. So यहाँ से 1 by 3 log of u plus log of x is equal to log of c. So log of u plus 3 times of log of x is equal to log of c, 3 log c. Let us further simplify this. So from here we have so this is log of c dash है ना, c dash. So this is nothing but log of u times of x cube is equal to, let us take this as a new constant, log of c. So u times of x cube is equal to c. Okay, and the value of u is this one. So this is v cube plus 3v plus 2 times of x cube is equal to c. So from here y cube upon x cube plus 3y upon x plus 2 x cube is equal to 0. So from here y cube plus 3y x square, this is 3y x square plus 2x cube, okay, upon x cube times of x cube is equal to 0. Y cube plus 3, this is y times of x cube. So this is x square plus 2x cube. This gets cancelled. So our general solution is, this is nothing but c ना, 0 कहाँ से आएगा, 0 c आएगा ना. Okay. So we have the general solution as y cube plus 3y x square plus 2x is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now let us discuss the fifth one. Okay, so we have dy upon dx is equal to y times of x plus y upon x times of x minus y. Okay, so let us divide the numerator and denominator with x square. So we have y upon x, 1 plus y upon x. Okay, so this is 1 minus y upon x. Let us take y is equal to v times of x. So from here dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So we have v plus x dv upon dx is equal to v times of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. So from here we have x dv upon dx is equal to v plus v square upon 1 minus v minus v. So this is v plus v square minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v. Okay, माइनस v प्लस v स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो ये आ जाएगा, दिस v गेट्स कैंसल्ड. सो फ्रॉम हेयर वी हैव x dv upon dx is equal to 2v square upon 1 minus v. So from here 1 minus v upon 2v square dv is equal to dx upon x. Let us further simplify this. So 1 upon 2v square minus 1 upon 2v dv. Okay, so this is nothing but is equal to dx upon x integration. ठीक है, तो ये 1/2 और इंटीग्रेशन बाई ऑफ 1 अपॉन वी स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा, -1/v और ये क्या हो जाएगा, 1/v का माइनस ऑफ लॉग ऑफ v इज इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ x प्लस सी। लेट्स टेक दिस एज सी डैश, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा माइनस ऑफ 1/2 1/v प्लस लॉग v इज इक्वल टू log x plus c dash. Let us further simplify this. This is minus 1/2. This is x upon y plus log of y upon x is equal to log of x plus c dash. So this is x upon y plus log of y upon x is equal to -2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना, -2 log x -2 c dash। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, x upon y plus log of y minus log of x is equal to -2 log x -2 c dash। यहाँ से क्या आएगा देखो, x अपॉन वाई प्लस लॉग ऑफ वाई, और ये -2 log x और ये log x, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा प्लस ऑफ log x इज इक्वल टू -2 c dash। वी कैन टेक ए न्यू कांस्टेंट एज c, so we have x upon y plus log of xy is equal to c. This is the general solution. Let us discuss the sixth one. So we have dy upon dx plus y square upon x minus y is equal to 0. So let us divide the numerator and denominator with x square. So we have dy upon dx plus y square upon x square upon 1 minus y upon x is equal to 0. Let us take y is equal to vx. So we have dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So this is nothing but v plus x dv upon dx plus v square upon 1 minus v is equal to 0. So from here we have v plus x dv upon dx plus let us add v in this. So this is x dv upon dx plus v square upon 1 minus v plus v is equal to 0. So from here x dv upon dx plus v square plus v minus v square upon 1 minus v is equal to 0. So this gets cancelled. So from here we have 1 minus v upon v dv plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Let us integrate this. So we have this as this is 1 upon v minus 1 dv integration plus dx upon x integration is equal to 0. So from here we have log of v minus v plus log of x is equal to 0. Sorry, this is log of c. After integration it will result into a constant now. Let us take this as, because it is a v, तो यहाँ पे log is equal to c ले लो, ठीक है। So log of y upon x minus y upon x plus log of x is equal to c. Let us further simplify this. So from here we have log of this, sorry, this is log of y minus log of x minus y upon x plus log of x is equal to c. ये कैंसिल हो गया, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा, तो y upon x y upon x we can take to RHS side, so is equal to log of y minus c. Okay, so this we can write as so log of y is equal to c plus y upon x. Okay, so y is equal to e to the power c plus y upon x. So this we can write as e to the power c times of Let us name this as c dash, e to the power c dash times of e to the power y upon x. Let us take e to the power c dash as c. Y is equal to c times of e to the power y upon x. This is the general solution. Okay. So we have discussed all the 9 numbers of examples. Okay. Thank you.